Whoa, that is zoomed in. Okay guys, good morning. It's the next morning. I'm gonna make my almond milk. So as you saw last night, I soaked the almonds. So they have been sitting here all night. Apparently you just leave them on the counter and soak them. So I'm gonna strain these and then make the almond milk. I only did 1 cup of almonds because that's all the recipe called for. So I literally have no idea how much this is going to make, but I hope it makes a decent amount. I'm gonna put them in these little juicing glasses that I have. It's like all I really have for storing. So hopefully it feels like 3. That's the hope. So I need the recipe. Oh, and then I have my big bad boy blender. Ow. He did not like that I called him a bad boy. Ow, that hurt. Cool. Hopefully I don't have a fat lip now. Okay, so the recipe is on Pinterest, the one I'm following. I can link it down below for you guys if you're interested in this. I'll let you know how it turns out. It's probably gonna be good. It's this recipe. So 1 cup of almonds, add to the blender. And then you're gonna do 2 medjool dates. So 2 of those. These are also super good to put in smoothies. I like to put like 1 in a smoothie. It makes it taste really good. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Sorry if you can hear, I think my apartment complex has landscaping going on this morning. So sorry if you can hear that. A pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. So I have pink Himalayan salt, and I've noticed in recipes this salt makes things taste extra salty. So I'm literally gonna do one little pinch. Maybe a little more. Hopefully that's not too salty. And then a pinch of cinnamon. I'm gonna do a little bit more than a pinch. Maybe like that much. I love cinnamon. And then 3 cups of water. Use our trusty little guy over here. What's that, 2 cups? So apparently this is supposed to be extremely creamy almond milk. So we'll see if it actually is. And then you're gonna wanna blend it up. So you're gonna need cheesecloth. You can get this from pretty much any grocery store. I think I found this in the baking section. This will just help like strain out all the almond pieces. Interesting. Okay, so it's just 1 long cloth. I guess I'm gonna, do I cut it? Like what? I don't understand. So what I'm gonna do, or what I'm doing, is I put my strainer, which is freaking humongous, on top of this pan, and hopefully I won't lose a lot of liquid doing this, but I'm just going to like line it with this. Go like this. Very cool. Look at all of that milk I got. It's super creamy. So the recipe was saying that you can like add water to this to make it less creamy. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I'm just gonna pour like a tiny bit, like that. I'm gonna try this in coffee because I feel like that might taste really freaking good. But right now I have just oat milk in the fridge for coffee. But I think I'm gonna try this because I think that might be really good. And if so, then that would be sweet. Oh, smells like my old apartment. I'm gonna rinse these really fast. I should have saved some of the creamy stuff before I put water in it for the coffee. I feel like that would have been really good. Okay, so it only filled one, basically. One and a little more than half of one. So next time, I think I'm going to definitely double this recipe because that's gonna last me like 2 days. But yeah, look, we made almond milk. So I'm gonna use my almond milk in my oats this morning and see how I like it. Okay, so taste test. Ooh, that's really good. Ooh, that is so much better than store-bought almond milk. This tastes like a freaking treat. This is really good. I would literally change nothing about what I did with this. Okay, super bomb. Honestly recommend. This would be so good in like cereal or just to drink on its own or like with a cookie. But obviously only if you like the flavor of almonds because it does have a little bit of an almond taste to it because it's almond milk. But yeah, it's super good. Okay, I'm happy with that. I don't know if this is exciting to you like it is to me, but I got these little silicone ice cube trays yesterday. They're little squares. And I hate ice cube makers, like I hate the ice it makes. And I also like filtered water. So I got these and I'm really excited about them. It's gonna have little square ices and look so cute in all my little drinks. By the way, the oatmeal turned out fabulous. Look at how pretty. That's so fun. I love. Some big news, guys, is I'm selling my black sectional sofa today. I have the vacuum out because I'm gonna vacuum it before I sell it. But basically, I just thought I was gonna love like a black couch. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it was gonna look good, but I actually really freaking hate it. So I'm selling it. I literally just bought it like 3 weeks ago, but yeah, I don't know. I don't love it. So yeah, I'm selling it. Some guy's coming to pick it up in an hour. So I'm gonna be couchless for a while because I know like ordering a couch and waiting for it to ship online takes like months right now. So I'm trying to find a way around that and hopefully find a couch that isn't like months out to ship, but we'll see. Because I obviously also want something that I'm gonna like and enjoy and not want to sell right away like I did with this little guy. I was seeing like black couches on Pinterest and it looked really cool in some houses or like apartments or like some ways that people had it set up. But I realized I really enjoy like the cream colored, light colored couches like that look a lot more. So yeah, I don't know. It was kind of a last minute, like really quick decision when I bought this. I had to make a decision within like 10 minutes, it felt like. So I was just like, whatever, I'll buy the black one. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog much more today because I'm gonna just like do computer work and do editing and work on like business type stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna vlog more today. Hey guys, what's up? So it's later in the day. I finally sold my couch and I'll show you guys in a second. But first, I wanna share a package that I just got with you guys. So I've been doing a lot of research into certain fabrics and I'll leave a link below to an article that I'm talking about. But basically all these like crappy fabrics like polyester or crap like that isn't good for you and like isn't good for the human body. If you guys believe in like energies and frequencies and all of that stuff and healing your body naturally basically is what it is. Material like polyester and I don't know, random stuff like that, you can read the article, is dead material. It's like vibrating lower or something than like the human body naturally. You know you have like a frequency, I don't really know what it's called. So your body is alive, so it's vibrating at like a certain frequency. I think it's 100, I think is what it is, something around there. But basically clothes that are 100% cotton are similar to like a live human body, whereas polyester is like a dead thing and isn't providing any like healing or isn't, you know, mixing with the human body right. So I wanted to buy some 100% organic cotton t-shirts. I wanted to buy clothes that actually are good for me and good for your body, a real material. And like linen apparently has a frequency, I don't know if that's the right freaking word. I should have looked up this article before I started talking, but it has a rating that's like 1,000 or something, whereas like our human body is only around 100. So linen is supposed to be seen as a healing fabric, which is crazy because in the Bible, it says something about clothing your body in linen and or cotton. So I've been looking into like linen blankets and sheets and bedding and clothing and all of that, but it is kind of expensive. So I started off with just getting cotton clothing, which is good because it is higher or about the same as like a human body. Yeah, I hope this makes sense. And if I sound crazy, I'm really not. I'm just really into all of that vibrational healing stuff and like healing your body naturally. Basically, in the end, it's all about wearing and using real organic material versus fake synthetic material that's probably filled with like chemicals, or like the process of making it is just bad and not good in general, whereas natural materials like this is a lot more sustainable and just real, you know, just like real, like real. So anyway, I got 2 different shirts. So I got this green one, and then I don't actually, this is like blue or green. I don't know what color this is. I'm probably colorblind. And then this gray one. So I got these to sleep in. They're soft and comfortable, so I'm happy about that. I can link them below or whatever. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to share that because I thought it was kind of interesting. So that's that. Oh, and I sold my couch. So I'm going to be couchless for probably a couple months because all the couches I want, I have to wait for them to be made and then shipped. And it's like a 2 or 3 month process. So yeah, I'm not super stoked about that. I might just get like a chair in the meantime. But this is the look of my living room right now. I just sold it. It's kind of echoey in here and kind of sad. Hey guys, what's up? So I just got back from Whole Foods and I wanted to do yet another grocery haul. So first I got some bread. This bread was like $7 and it wasn't even bakery bread. It was in their like normal bread section. So yeah, I don't know, that was crazy to me, but I wanted some bread because I like to make avocado toast. I like to put hummus on toast. So I got some hummus because the kind I have right now I don't really like, so I wanted to get some that I like. I got some snacks, so I got some cookies. These are my favorite vegan little snack cookies. And then I got my favorite popcorn. I like that one because it's made in a chemical-free bag, or so it says. So I like that because popcorn can be really bad for you if you get the kind that is like the regular kind in like bad bags. And then I got 3 avocados because I was running low. I should have honestly got more. I got some cumin because I've been out and I can't find any bulk spices anywhere here. I haven't checked out Sprouts yet. Apparently Sprouts might have that, but yeah, no other store has had that. And then I also got some pumpkin spice. It would have been nice to get this in bulk because I do not need this much. But I got this because I wanted to make a dairy-free, like vegan version of the Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew. So I found some recipes on Pinterest that I'm going to go off of, and I'm going to make that in maybe this video, maybe an upcoming video. But yeah, I'm really excited. And then I got some dill for dinner tonight. I'm going to make salmon, which is different for me because I'm technically vegan, but sometimes, like once in a while, I still want fish. And I like to give my body what it wants. And then I got some agave because I really like using this as like a natural sweetener. I got a pumpkin puree for the whatever it's called that I'm making. And then I got the Allegro coffee. I got the Italian roast because I love, every time I go to Whole Foods and I get one of their lattes, they're the best lattes I ever drink, like have ever had. So I got their Allegro coffee so I can hopefully replicate it at home. And then I got some strawberries for breakfast, some blueberries for breakfast. I always like to have these vegan raviolis on hand with some sauce just for like a really quick dinner. And then I got these. These are so good if you've never had them before. Highly recommend if you're vegan or dairy free or whatever. Actually, everyone I introduce these to likes them, like no matter how they eat. Everyone likes those. And I got some tahini because I've been needing tahini. I like to make a bunch of like sauces and stuff with tahini. And then this is the salmon I got. It's just sockeye salmon. So yeah, that's it. And my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna put all this away. Then I'll see you guys later.